How to find out who blocked you on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you find who blocked you on TikTok whether you are using iPhone or Android. So let's get started. First, as you have to open TikTok app with your account. After you open TikTok, you will get this kind of interface. From here, tap on the search icon at the top right. From here, in the search bar, you'll have to type the username of that person you think they may have blocked you. Now here is a trick like if the profile doesn't show up at all and you were sure they existed before, there is a high chance they have been blocked you. But be careful, they might have just changed their username or deleted their account. So if you find that ID, it means that they have not blocked you. As you can also double check for that, go to your following list or your comment section where they might have been interact with your post. Simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. From here you can as usual check to your following list by tapping on follow and from here you can find. Also you can view your comment section if they have been interacted. From here if you see the comment and that profile is still available and if it says no content and the profile looks empty, they might have blocked you. And at last, you can also try sourcing their profile using different TikTok accounts from a friend's phone. If their profile shows up there but not on your account, yes, you can be sure that you have been blocked from that account. And that's it. This is the way to find out who blocked you on TikTok. If this helped you, please don't forget to like, follow and share to your friends for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.